Advancement in modern packaging technology. With full automation, the packaging process becomes fast, accurate, and efficient. Sealed dried fruit trays ensure the safety and best preservation of the product. The complete automation of the line not only reduces human intervention, but also minimizes the risk of errors, increasing stability and uniformity in the production process. Not only does it help save time and personnel, the automatic packaging line also ensures hygiene and food safety. This fully automated tray sealing packaging process provides peace of mind and reliability for both manufacturers and consumers, creating a smooth and efficient production process. Look at the green pieces of vegetables flowing on the chain like talented dancers on the dance floor. This fresh green color is not only a symbol of vitality and freshness, but also a sign of purity and health. Seeing this piece of green, you not only feel the fresh taste, but also remember the nutritional value and health benefits that vegetables bring. The deep blue beauty of ripe blueberries is carefully packaged in each tray like precious gems. This big guy performs an unprecedentedly satisfying task. All concerns about cutting gift wrapper paper will be resolved thanks to this tool. This tool will undoubtedly assist workers in meeting all the demands of the construction sites. It must be acknowledged that the efficiency of this machine is well suited for illuminating plants. With this fruit packaging technology, the factory has solved the problem of expensive labor. The powerful rotating arm of the soil tiller loosens the soil layer beneath the tree roots to enhance respiration. This timeless printer can still deliver excellent efficiency. No matter how hard you try, you can't outperform this ride-on floor scraper. Not a single drop drips out. An instant ice maker that heats the up to make and separate ice cubes. Imagine the number of potatoes you could slice in a matter of seconds. Snakes raised on Kenyan farms are mainly cobras and vipers, which are the snakes with the strongest venom. These snakes are mainly wild snakes domesticated or transported from other farms, so interacting with and caring for them every day is a very dangerous job for workers. Taking care of venomous snakes and pythons is not easy, even at the cost of human life if bitten by a snake. Do you know how many people are bitten by snakes and die each year in Africa in general, and Kenya in particular? According to statistics, thousands of people died from snake bites because they were not injected with antidotes in time. Therefore, research to create antidotes from snake venom imported from Kenya is increasingly expanding. The increasing amount of venom exported from Kenya is causing venomous snake farms to expand further. Hope we have brought you an interesting topic. How do you feel today? Please comment a lot below to let us know. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to support the channel.